Hi guys, it's Mrs. Renee. On Friday, we took a quiz, which the purpose was to see how well everybody was doing with their studying for our upcoming fractions test and to try to be able to specify the areas that we need to focus on for each student. So I'm going to go through the answers with you. And on Monday, when we come back to class, we're going to do some activities in different groups based on the answers that you submitted on Friday to help with those areas that some of you had a little bit of trouble with. All in all, you did a great job and you have a very good understanding of fractions. So let's begin. The first question here, which of these pie charts show equivalent fractions? Well, looking at these charts, I see that they're divided into a different numbers of pieces, different number of pieces. The orange one is divided into thirds. The one with a part shaded yellow is divided into sixths. The blue one is divided into fourths. Hope you were thinking that. And the green one is divided into sixths. Just the same as the yellow one. So the answer for this one, which one of these show equivalent fractions, would be the orange and the green one. Because even though they're divided into a different number of pieces, the space that is shaded occupies the same amount of space. So the orange shows 1/3, the green shows 2 pieces out of 6, but it occupies the same amount of space. Number 2, which fractions are equivalent to 1/3? So in this case, we have 2 possible answers. 3/9 is equivalent to 1/3, and 2/6 are equivalent to 1/3. If we think of our example earlier with the circles, if you draw circles that are the exact same size and you divide them into 9 equal pieces, or 6 equal pieces, or 3 equal pieces, you'll see that the same space is being shaded. So the answer was 3/9 and 2/6. And there was a chance for you to write 2 answers, or 3 or 4, because there's an S at the end of fraction, so that means there could be more than one answer right. The next one, write the correct fraction to make these 2 fractions equivalent. Well, in this case, we're looking at fractions of a set. The first picture shows us 2 out of 4. An equivalent fraction could be 1/2 or 6 out of 12. Both of those answers are equivalent. And if it's easier for you to see by making circles again, make a circle and divide it up into quarters, halves, twelfths, and you'll see the same space will be shaded. How many thirds are in the picture below? Well, I know that this pizza is divided into thirds because I see 3 parts. So my whole is divided into 3, which means that we're talking about thirds. If it was divided into 2, we would be talking about, I hope you're thinking, halves. Or 4 pieces, you'd be talking about quarters. So these guys are divided into 3 pieces. So we have 1/3, 2/3, 3/3, 4/3, 5/3, 6/3, 7/3, 8/3, 9/3, and 10/3. So the answer was 10. Some of you, we're going to go back for a moment, some of you chose this answer, 3 and a piece. There are definitely more than 3/3 here. Okay, so that's why that answer was incorrect. Count up all the pieces, and that is the number of thirds that we have here. What is 2/5 of 15? Well, we have an array here, 3 by 5. And if we divide this array into 5 groups, we'd have 1 group, 2 groups, 3 groups, 4 groups, and 5 groups. 1/5 is 3, 2/5 is 6, which was our answer. 3/5 would be 9, 4/5 would be 12, and 5/5 would be, 1/5, 2/5, 3/5, 4/5, 5/5 would be 15. Okay, had to think about that one for a minute. All right. I hope this has helped, boys and girls. And tomorrow, like I said, we're going to get together and we're going to focus on the areas that we didn't get correct on this quiz. And hopefully today, if you're spending a little bit of time studying today, you'll know where you went, the answers you got that were correct and the ones that you still have to work on. Have a great Sunday. Bye.